Data studies trials required for permanent registration of biostimulant products in India. In India, the registration of biostimulant products is governed by the Central Insecticides Board and Registration Committee (CBRC) under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. The registration process involves the submission of data studies trials to demonstrate the efficacy, safety, and quality of the product. The following are the data studies trials required for permanent registration of biostimulant products in India. 1. Efficacy trials. These trials are conducted to demonstrate the effectiveness of the biostimulant product in improving plant growth, yield, and quality. The trials should be conducted on the target crops under different environmental conditions, and should include a control group for comparison. 2. Safety studies. These studies are conducted to evaluate the safety of the biostimulant product for human health, animal health, and the environment. The studies should include acute toxicity, chronic toxicity, genotoxicity, and echotoxicity tests. 3. Quality studies. These studies are conducted to ensure the quality of the biostimulant product. The studies should include physical and chemical properties, stability, and purity tests. 4. Residue studies. These studies are conducted to evaluate the residue levels of the biostimulant product in the target crops and the environment. The studies should include residue analysis and risk assessment. 5. Labeling and packaging studies. These studies are conducted to ensure that the labeling and packaging of the biostimulant product comply with the regulatory requirements. 6. Field trials. These trials are conducted to evaluate the performance of the biostimulant product under field conditions. The trials should be conducted on a large scale, and should include a control group for comparison. 7. Shelf life studies. These studies are conducted to determine the shelf life of the biostimulant product under different storage conditions. 8. Compatibility studies. These studies are conducted to evaluate the compatibility of the biostimulant product with other agrochemicals and fertilizers. In conclusion, the registration of biostimulant products in India requires a comprehensive set of data studies trials to demonstrate the efficacy, safety, and quality of the product. The data studies trials should be conducted in accordance with the regulatory requirements and guidelines.